weeks ago, I did an Ayurvedic treatment in Lotus Villa, Sri Lanka, which was actually one of the best things I've ever experienced, and I would like to tell you a bit more about it. Anyway, the main reason we went there was mainly because of my little sister who got diagnosed with epilepsy in spring, I think. And here in Europe, they told her she would never get cured and actually she would have to take pills for the rest of her life. By that time, she was having like 10 attacks per day, just the small ones, but still it's kind of terrible. And we were really sad about it, and my mom was trying to find alternative solutions. So that's why actually she found out about Ayurveda and then particularly about Lotus Villa. After a couple of days, we arrived. Her attacks disappeared completely, and since then she hasn't had any, which is a miracle. We are so happy and grateful about that, and I really hope it's gonna stay like this forever. But like now she's been reducing her pills a lot. She almost is now down to 0 and she's still okay, thank God. Yeah, so that's great. Also, as for me, I had lost a smell about a year and a half ago and I was thinking I would never get it back. But after like 3 days of the treatment, it started getting better, and by the end of the treatment I could smell completely again everything. So that was probably the main reason why I came there. But to just point out other less serious issues, I have so much more energy after the treatment. I also sleep very much better. I just feel so motivated for my life, for my studies, everything. I just feel great after the treatment, and I would totally recommend it. It was one of the best things I've ever experienced, and I can't wait to go back.
Okay, how was the stay in the resort?
It was amazing. Everyone was super nice. All the staffs were very, very kind. By the look into their eyes, you could see how kind they are. And also the doctors were very helpful, always ready to help us with everything any time of the day, even during the night, which I know from my own experience actually. And the environment is amazing. It's a great place just to relax and to have some time for yourself, to not have to stress about anything. Also, you don't have to look at your phone at all. You don't waste your time, because for the treatments they always come and find you. For the food they always ring a bell, so you just hear it and go there. And basically you spend the whole day by lying on the sunbed and watching the ocean, and I can't imagine anything better actually. Yeah, treatments itself are amazing. I love the massages. Food is very tasty. I really miss their cuisine. Yeah, so it was just one of the best things I've ever experienced, and I can't wait to go again.